All right, guys. So, little birthday present for me. This was on my doorstep this morning. Got the new rims, the 18 by 10 and a halves. And we're gonna do a little unboxing here. Hopefully, I can do this one-handed. Always wanted to do a video like this. You see them on YouTube all the time, but there we go. Look at this. I'm sure a lot of you can already guess which ones I went with, but there's a valve stem. I'll give you a second. Write your guesses in the comments below. Ready? Here we go. Woo! Look at them things. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever been this close to a pair of these. These are the RPF ones. Man, they just look good. And geez, they're pretty light. Like, I'm just picking this up with one hand. I want to say that it was like 19.06 pounds for an 18 by 10 and a half rim, which is crazy to me.